Are you wondering if a prostate massage might just be your prostate fix? I'm going to share with you some details that you probably haven't considered about prostate massage or prostate milking, and I'm going to share with you 4 ways to fix your prostate immediately. Stay tuned, gentlemen, for this informative, healthy video. Welcome back, gentlemen. I'm Dr. Melissa Gallagher. I'm a naturopathic physician. If you are new to my channel, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to answer a ton of your questions. And I first want to preface our video. This is a clean, PG related video that's meant to help gentlemen watching this video who are dealing with prostate enlargement, prostate inflammation, BPH, high PSA levels, who might be entertaining using a catheter to relieve their bladder, or who might be dealing with surgical options or biopsies in the near future. This video is meant to help you understand how to heal and treat your prostate health in a natural way. I get a ton of questions every day on a lot of my prostate health related videos. In total, we're almost at 1 million views on my prostate health videos that I've produced in the last 1.5 years. Some of the commentary on these videos is clean, sometimes it's not, and a little offensive, but that's okay, because somewhere in the middle of that are genuine questions from you gentlemen asking me what my thoughts are about prostate massage and if it'd be helpful. So I first want to kind of detail what prostate massage is in terms of the impact on your prostate gland. So first of all, gentlemen, to actually massage your prostate gland, it's quite invasive. It involves inserting a finger, hopefully gloved, into the rectum, generally administered by a medical provider. The happy ending massage therapy does not qualify as a prostate massage. So I'm going to be truthful. Having had and owned a wellness center full of massage therapists, I will tell you, happy ending massages are not prostate massages. Also, prostate massages are very temporary. So they actually do evacuate seminal fluid. It is not necessarily an orgasm that you might be having where semen is exiting out of your body, but it's to essentially relieve fluid that it might be in and around the prostate gland. The pressure relief is where the prostate massage has its highest benefit, but the benefit's temporary. So you'd constantly have to be conducting a prostate massage. And if you are a lot of the gentlemen that I work with and know, they don't want anything inserted into the rectum, and they certainly don't want to do that at a doctor's office. So I want to share with you 4 ways to fix your prostate that doesn't involve a massage or an invasive procedure involving gloves or a medical provider, and certainly keeps your privacy intact and will resolve a lot of the prostate inflammation, enlargement, and swelling. I'm going to share with you a downloadable guide. It is up on our website. It's $9.95, so $9.95. I list in full detail my 4-step process, but I'm going to share with you a few of the tips here. The first tip to really motivating and reducing the swelling, inflammation, and fluid in and around your prostate gland is to move the lymphatics. Movement and promotion of the lymphatic flow will actually help detox and clear out excess debris, swelling, fluid retention in and around the prostate gland. There's a lot of different ways to do it, from dry skin brushing. I'm going to include a video here that I actually created just for you gentlemen on how to dry skin brush the abdomen. There's also things you can do like rebounding and jumping jacks and jumping rope that will help open up the lymph valves and move the lymphatic flow. I also have a homeopathic protocol that I use that moves the lymphatics throughout the whole entire body that is hugely beneficial for my gentlemen with prostate inflammation and enlargement, and I use it for many of my lymphatic patients because it's all promoting the same system, the lymphatic system, which is a detox system. It's organ and glandular clearing, cleansing, and relieves swelling and fluid retention. The second core step to fixing your prostate is to reduce inflammation. And again, with the whole prostate massage debate, it's temporary. We need to deal with the whole body, systemic inflammation, cellular inflammation that is causing a lot of the grief in and around the cells of your prostate gland. One of the challenges with BPH or high PSA levels is that the cells themselves are not easily turning over, and they're getting enlarged, and there's swelling, and there's fluid that ends up cutting off the flow from the bladder. This is where a lot of of my gentlemen end up calling me because they're days away or maybe hours away from an ER visit and a catheterization. I am here to help you avoid that, and that's why I created this protocol. I don't want any gentleman to deal with what my grandfather went through. So this is definitely inspired by real world experience and clinical data in my practice working with gentlemen like you every day. The third item on my list to fix your prostate is to stop the conversion of testosterone to estrogen. That's at the core of your prostate inflammation. This is applicable for prostatitis, this is applicable for prostate cancer, and anything in between when it's involving the state of your prostate cells and their health. What happens is your prostate gland is very sensitive to estrogen. There's a lot of estrogen receptivity in the prostate gland. The prostate gland is a unique gland and organ that a lot of men don't associate as being similar or synonymous with the female uterus. And I'm telling you this, gentlemen, because when our cells are created and we're splitting and dividing and we're not necessarily male or female, the tissue and the cells that become your prostate, if you didn't become a man and you moved into being a female, the glandular tissue would become the female uterus. And because of that, the prostate gland is highly, highly receptive to estrogen. What happens is when a man is under any type of hormonal imbalances, glandular, endocrine, neuroendocrine imbalance, there is a trigger where the body ends up converting your testosterone into estrogen. It ends up being stored in your prostate. So the receptivity of estrogen is something you want to be very cognizant of. And there are many different ways to resolve this. In my Prostate Fix, I actually list one of my favorite supplements that is so powerful. There are many things that you can do on your own. Clean up your water, clean up your homes, clean up your skincare, minimize chemicals and excess hormones that you might be consuming in your food. These are items that you can do that you have control over. Fourth and final, and at the root of any degree of prostate inflammation, is cortisol management. Cortisol hormone that gets out of control is the root cause, the core leading factor behind the state of your prostate health. To truly fix your prostate, you have to go all the way down the layers to the root of the problem. And I know you want a quick and easy way to relieve the state that you're in. It can be very frustrating and you can feel like it's never gonna end. But I promise you, through the protocol, the Prostate Fix, we're gonna delve into managing the cortisol hormone, the role it plays on the body, because this is the key. When you have cortisol imbalance, it ends up causing your body to convert testosterone to estrogen. So number 3 can be prevented by managing number 4. And I'm gonna give you this link right here where you can download my Prostate Fix for $9.95. I hope you'll consider checking it out. And gentlemen, I'm gonna include a series of playlists down below where you can get educated further on a lot of the tips and recommendations that I make to heal your prostate. As always, it's so wonderful to join you today. I hope this information is helpful. If you'd like to work individually with me, I welcome that. I'll include links where you can book an appointment online. I conduct a lot of virtual and telephone appointments with my gentlemen patients, and I am so excited to work with you, and I hope you consider the Prostate Fix as part of your healing program. Thanks, gentlemen, for tuning in, and I will see you on Monday's video.